Hello and welcome to another edition on what you should not be buying. A lot of sellers out there make a lot of mistakes when they are buying inventory for Amazon FBA. When they are sourcing for online arbitrage, they are not looking at certain details, meaning they buy the wrong product at the wrong price, the wrong model. As you see, apparently this product matches this listing on Amazon really well. But the problem with this product is when you see the word replacement. This is a replacement part manufactured by this brand, Pentair. So when Amazon buyers are purchasing this product, they are expecting to receive a product manufactured originally and authentic by this brand Pentair. And this company called Pool Web, which apparently I think it is a legitimate company. I think I already sourced from it before, but they don't show in any of their description that this is an OEM. OEM means that it's an authentically manufactured product from this brand. And if they don't show the word OEM, that means that they either manufacture a replacement themselves or they buy it from a third party. So basically they produce a unit that is exactly like this, but it's not an authentic product. And this could be a problem for certain buyers. For the majority of buyers out there, they will not care, but some more discerning buyers, they will want an authentic product. And you will start getting returns and complaints, authenticity complaints, which are a big pain in the neck when it comes to your Amazon account. So be on the lookout for OEM, replacement, authentic parts, any such listings. So this product, Josie Moran, matching this listing. So apparently this would have been a good buy at it used to be half off. Now it's out of stock, but it used to be 50% off, so it would have been a fantastic buy. But why did I not buy it? Why did I not buy this product? Well, if I look at the list of sellers here, my first red flag is on the Keepa chart. Whenever you see a flat buy box line, the buy box line is this pink line on the Keepa chart. And whenever you see a completely flat line, that means that somebody is controlling the price. And that's usually either the brand, or in this case, if you look at the list of sellers, I don't see the brand. The brand here is Josie Moran. And Josie Moran themselves are not selling the product. But who has massive stock right here? It's a retailer called Leap Stores. And if I Google Leap Stores, I go into this website. And if I scroll down, I see that they protect brands. So basically this is an agency and they go after clients like Josie Moran, after big brands, and they run their Amazon business for them. May as well be a third-party seller that they are posting. They're just putting out a website saying that, hey, we're an agency, just to turn off buyers like me or sellers like me. But it might also be a legitimate brand protection agency that not only has this client, has many different clients. And as soon as you start selling, they will start issuing IP complaints. This is also a little bit suspicious right here, this seller graph dropping very dramatically. Not super suspicious, but that in combination with the big flat pink line, one main seller having massive control over the listing, plus this website saying that they protect brands, it's enough information for me to stay away from that listing. And now I'm going to show you a different scenario, or a very similar scenario with a different product. This one right here with the matching listing. And what do we see here? The same flat pink line. Okay, now let's explore the seller chart. And we see that the one with the most stock right here, and probably the one controlling the price, is a store called Recommerce. And if I Google Recommerce, I go to this result right here and it says Recommerce brands is now Recom. Let's go on to their website. So obviously Recom, what do? Oh, they do brand protection. Again, the same story. These agencies go after big brands like Nature's Plus. They're like, hey, we'll run your Amazon business. Because some of these brands do not want to run their Amazon business. It's too much work. They don't know how to do it. They don't have the team to do it. They hire brand protection agencies like this, and they are in charge of controlling the listing for them. Just like if you see a red flag where a brand themselves is running on their listing and you should be concerned when that happens, the same thing goes for brand protection agencies. Okay, so we have some toilet paper here and some toilet paper here, both of the same brand, both are ultra soft. But what is the main difference here? If we zoom in into the image, we see that the Amazon listing shows that this toilet paper, even though they're both 36 rolls. See, 36 rolls, they're both mega, they're both ultra soft, but the one on Amazon has a combined 258 feet, and the one on Walgreens has a combined 239 feet. So the one on Amazon has a few more feet of toilet paper, and that may not mean a lot to you or me. There is a lot of Amazon buyers that they look at the price of the product, and if they don't get the right amount of feet for the amount of exact amount that they pay for, they get angry and they will return the product. They will put out a complaint, a bad review. So you gotta look out for it. Now, this is the exact matching product. See, another ASIN, another listing, and this one is 239 feet, matching the one on Walgreens. That would be the one that you have to buy, but unfortunately, it has a lower price. It's not profitable, so pay attention to those details. Seasonal product right here, a Disney plush, a graduation plush. Now, this probably would have sold really well right around graduation. In the United States, graduation is around May. So if you start selling this, let's say in March or in April, when parents and grandparents are getting ready to buy graduation presents for their kids that are graduating high school and college, this would have been a great product. But now we are in September, and this product is basically dead on the tracks. You should not be buying this product until next May. The same goes for Christmas products. This is a great time to start buying Christmas products because we're in September, August, September, even October. Great time to start buying Christmas seasonality products, but not graduation products. So make sure to pay attention to seasonal products. It's a great opportunity, but buy it at the right time, not at the wrong time, because then you're going to be sitting the entire year until it sells next year. What's the difference between this one and this one? Well, here it says 12 ounces and here it says 7 ounces. The interesting part is that the Walmart photo shows 12 ounces, whereas the listing says 7 ounces. So as a buyer from Walmart, I don't know if I'm going to be getting a 7-ounce product or a 12-ounce product. It's very uncertain. I might as well get a 12-ounce product, which would match my listing perfectly, but I don't want to risk it, so I'm just going to pass on that. This is a fantastic matching product to this one. However, if I look at the lead time is basically how long the retailer is going to take to ship out the product to you. Most retailers out there, they will ship it out to you within 5 to 7 business days. Some like Walmart or Target, if you have like the Prime equivalent to their platforms, they will ship it out to you even sooner, as soon as the same day or the next day or in 2 days. But this is completely unacceptable. 3 to 4 weeks, I don't want to pay for this, or they may not even charge me, but I don't want to be waiting for this product for 1 month, because anything could happen in this listing. The price may drop, more sellers may come in the listing. I don't want to be waiting for 4 weeks. I'd rather spend my money, my limited cash flow, somewhere else where my money is put into better use. Okay, so now we have a card game start deck. This apparently is very similar to this. If you look at the main picture, see, you look at the main picture, it looks perfectly fine. However, if you look at the second picture, you will notice that the card is in Japanese. And this one, if you look at the second picture, you will see that the card is in English. There are 2 versions of this card, one in Japanese, one in English, and the English one seems to be going for more, because I found the right listing that is matching this retailer, which is in Japanese and is basically the same price or a little bit more. It's not profitable. This one would be profitable, but it's not the right product. And if you don't look at the second picture, you would be like, oh my God, I found a great product. But what's going on? You didn't look at the second picture, and now you are stuck with a Japanese card that is not matching your English version card. And some buyers may want just the English version, not the Jap, especially collectors that are into these trading cards. Another interesting example on why you need to pay attention to model numbers and UPC codes. Now, if the UPC code doesn't match perfectly, but the listing or the picture matches, I'm okay with that. But in this particular case, the pictures look exactly the same. But what is going on here? If you scroll down, you see that here it says superseded from this UPC code and superseded to this UPC code. Basically, what happened is that this product got discontinued and the manufacturer decided to replace it with a new UPC number, a slightly different product, I think. So now this listing, which is under this model, no longer matches this one. This is the right matching listing because it says this one replaces this one, which is exactly what the retailer said. Anyway, if this is too confusing, pay attention to when a manufacturer decides to replace a model number for another model number, and you have two listings, one for the old model number and the second one for the new model number. You want to go with the second one if it's still profitable. That matches the new model number. Apparently, this is a great matching product, but what's going on here? This is by the brand Pence's. Oh no, Pence's Spices is on the listing with massive stock. So you do not want to be, and look, the pink buy box line and keep a chart is pretty flat. So you do not want to be, again, in listings that either have the brand on it with a, it's okay if the brand is there with a very minority share, like let's say 20, even 30%. Are they sharing the buy box pretty evenly with other sellers on the listing? If that's the case, go for it. They probably don't mind, and there is a lot of room to compete with them. However, in this case, look at that. They have 100 units in stock. They are controlling the pricing. They're the lowest price seller on the list. And it's just not a good sign. So I would stay away. We have apparently a matching product, but the retailer says that this is a single roll, basically saying that they will sell these camera rolls as single units. They probably will polybag it for you. If you buy, let's say 5, you think that you're getting this coming in a nice little package that matches your package here on the Amazon listing, but in reality, you are getting a little bag with single rolls of film that you cannot sell to the end buyer on Amazon. So stay away. Again, super focus on the details before you buy the inventory. Then you're going to be stuck with bad inventory. Pay attention to the details. Oh my God, I found a great product here. Look at that. So this is a great product, right? It's profitable, right guys? Wait a second. Make sure that there is not another listing that has the same product with the brand on it. Look at it. So the brand is Glametic Store, and we have the same product, the same exact product with the flat pink line of hell right here that is flat. The brand is totally controlling the listing. They're not allowing any other sellers on the brand. They are probably issuing IP complaints. And some smart seller out there, some smart cookie decided to create their own listing with the same product, and the brand still hasn't catch on to it. So, you see a lot of sellers who are like, oh my God, so it's not popping on IP complaint, on IP alert. It's not popping. The listing looks okay because there are a lot of sellers on it. The price is good, it's profitable. But as soon as this brand catches on, they are obviously very interested in protecting their brand, because I can tell from this second listing where they have massive control. I'm sure they have a little team out there monitoring all the products under their brand, and they're eventually going to catch eyes on this one. And when that happens, they're going to pick out every single one of these sellers with an IP complaint. They're going to probably shut down this second listing that was unnecessary, because is a duplicate of this product, and Amazon will suppress the ASIN. So what you originally got really excited, now you're like, oh my God, how do I get rid of this inventory? So make sure to pay attention to details. That was the lesson in this video. If you don't know, I have my own online arbitrage leads list where I source items every day for you. I give you all the best products out there that are happening in real time. I send them to you via email every single morning. If you're interested in signing up, here's a link. That way you don't have to deal with these headaches yourself, even though it is good for you to learn how to do it yourself. Also, remember to like and subscribe the video. And if you like this type of videos, make sure to comment to let me know that, no, I want more of these videos. I really enjoy these mini lessons on what to look out for. Then I'll make sure to make more videos like this. And I'm gonna leave you right now with this other video right here that I think you're gonna enjoy a lot. In the meantime, make sure to crank up your Amazon business as we are approaching the Christmas season. A lot of opportunity there to make a lot of moolah, and make sure to keep up the good work. I'll see you on the next video.